To activate fast charging on Redmi A5, let me quickly explain how you can do this. As we go into the settings and go for the battery settings, this is the place where we usually can find, in most cases, the fast charging options, and we will be able to actually enable the fast charging here, but it is not the case in the Redmi A5. All you have to do from here is just use 15 watts charging adapter to charge your phone, and this will actually fast charge your phone. And as you take a look at the box right here, there is the recommended charging adapter to use from 5 to 15 watts. So as you are using 15 watts or even more charging adapter, this will basically charge your phone quickly. And if you are using less than 15 watts, then the fast charging feature will not work. So the fast charging feature is actually working depending on which charging adapter you are using, and that is basically how you can use it.